All right, I'm gonna do a product review and unboxing of this Mueller coffee maker. It's a drip coffee maker. It's pretty basic in its functions. It's just kind of like you hit the switch on the front and it turns it on. There's no special like programming or auto on function or any of that stuff. All right, now we're going to unbox it. All right, it says free product giveaway. Let's see, free electric milk frother. What the heck am I gonna do with that? I don't know. I'll have to look at that later. Let's see, what does this say? This says, okay, something about making the world a better place. All right, and the manual. So let's check it out here. We got our Carafe or Carafe or however you say this. And on the front you've got like the little switch. And this lifts up, of course. And what's nice about this one is it doesn't require you to buy filters. It has a reusable filter. And supposedly this is, oh, it comes with a little plastic spoon. Supposedly this is BPA free too, so that's good. So yeah, it looks pretty straightforward. You got a clear kind of markings here on the side to let you know how much water is in there. So that's cool. But other than that, it looks pretty simple and basic, but that's kind of what I want. So now we'll pretty much have to test it and see how well it works. Okay, so I brewed some coffee and now it's time for the taste test. Tastes like coffee. So I think this will work out pretty well. If you gotten value from this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It helped my channel out, and thank you for watching.